Hello guys, how are you? Today our topic is image reference and we will see that how we can use image reference images so that we can edit our pics. So without wasting time, let's start. We will click on this plus button and then we will click on upload a file. Now whichever you want, just click on it and then open it. When this will happen, you all have to do is that you have to click or hit enter. When you will hit enter, it will be uploaded. So next step is that click on it, then right click on it, copy image address or copy link or copy image address, both will work same. So here your link has been copied. Now we will click here, type slash backslash, click on imagine prompt. We will paste our link here, Control V. Now, comma, space, and we will write our prompt here. So, here is our prompt, cyberpunk, colorful fashion model, city street background. So, when we will click or hit enter, we will get result. Now here, Midjourney has given us this result. We can see the full quality here in new browser. These are 4 pics, pic 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like any pic and you want 4 variation of the same pic, you have to click on V1, V2, V3, V4. And if you want single pic, you want upscale it, you all have to click on U1, U2. Now let's see that where is V1 or U1. Here, U1, U2, U3 and U4 mean upscale the pic. You will not get 4 variations, but you will get only one upscale version. If you will click U1, U2, U3, U4, by clicking V2 mean you will get 4 variations of the same pic, same as V3 and V4. We will click on V2 and let's see that what is our result. This is our result. We will click on it. Let's see again. This is the full quality if you will open it in a new browser. So pick 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you have to choose any pic and then you have to click on upscale version. So I will click U2. When I will click U2, it will give this result. Now open it in new browser so we can see the quality of this pic. Yeah, this is our final result. I wish this video will help you to edit any type of pic. So if you have any queries, then you can comment. I will reply you.